Hello students, let's look at this question now that involves negative numbers, but we will do it in a similar way. At the moment you see that on the seesaw you have on the left hand side 4 x boxes and 5 -1 units. So if you write it mathematically, you will have on the right hand side 4x and -5, and then on the right hand side -1, -1. Okay, so you see that this -1 unit has an effect like as if there is a balloon that lifts the seesaw. So when you want to cancel it out, what I could do, for instance, is to add one positive box here, so then the effect will be cancelled out. So one of this balloon of -1 will be cancelled out. Okay, because you kind of like lift it up with the balloon, but you weigh it down with this +1 unit. So in that sense, if I have 5 -1 balloons on the left hand side, I could actually add on 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 5 +1 blocks on the left hand side. And of course I will have to do the same here. 5 +1 blocks on the right hand side. So mathematically, what do I do here? It means I am going to add both sides 5 units. So in that case, on the seesaw, you can see that you cancel out each individual balloon. So then the effect is cancelled out. And here on the right hand side, this one balloon is also cancelled out. And mathematically you see then on the left hand side you are left with only 4x. Look at the seesaw, it's also the same. And on the right hand side you have now +4. So the last step, of course, is to compare. If we have 4 x boxes on the left and 4 1 unit blocks on the right, if you split them into 4 sections and you split the right hand side, of course, the same way by 4 sections, then you can see that 1 x block is comparable to 1 unit in weight. So mathematically, when you split like that, it's actually dividing. So you divide it by 4, you split it into 4 sections, you divide it by 4, and from there you see that this times 4 is cancelled out by the division by 4 mathematically, and then you can see that the result, this mystery weight x, is actually 1 unit.